Plants are so important to life. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Plants provide oxygen and food. They also provide shelter for some animals. Plants grow in different ways. Today, we are going to learn how to grow your own plant. Plants are living, and just like other living things, they need certain things to survive. In this video, we will review what you have learned about the life cycle of a plant and photosynthesis. Then we will go through the steps of how to grow and take care of our own plants. Like all living things, plants also have a life cycle. They begin as a seed, then grow into a mature plant. Some mature plants produce more seeds. We will review the 4 stages of the life cycle of a flowering plant. This type of plant is very similar to the kind of plant you will learn to plant in this video. Let's briefly review the life cycle. In stage 1, the plant is a seed. In stage 2, the seed begins to emerge from the ground and roots begin to grow from the seed. In stage 3, the seed is completely emerged from the ground and becomes a seedling. Roots continue to grow under the ground and leaves begin to grow from the seedling. In the final stage, the plant is fully produced from the seedling, the leaves continue to grow as the plant grows, and the roots continue to grow under the ground. In order to survive, plants need water and sunlight. As you have previously learned, plants convert the sun's light energy into chemical energy that can be used to fuel the plant later on. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants should be watered once daily to keep the soil moist. If plants are being grown outside, water only on the days when rain is not present. The materials you will need to grow your own plant are gloves, a small cup, soil, water, and seeds. Okay, now you are ready to grow your own plant. So exciting and so much fun. I have all my materials here. I have my gloves, I have my cup, I have my soil and my seeds and my water. Some of my materials are different than the ones that I showed an example. I'm going to use a clear cup because I want you to see what's going on in the cup as I show you what you should be doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our gloves because we want to try to keep our hands as clean as possible. We don't want the soil to get under our nails. Ready. First things first, you're going to grab your soil. You're going to take some of your soil and you want to create a bottom layer of soil for your plant. It's like you want to create a bed for your seeds to lay in. You want to make sure to even out that layer. Okay, all even out. Next, you're going to grab your seeds. You're going to dump them in there on top. Now you want to create a top layer. You want to make sure to place it on top and not to mix it in with the seeds. Okay, you have a small top layer. And the last and final step is you want to begin to pour your water in. Pour a little bit at a time because you don't want the water to drown the soil and the plants. You want the soil to soak up the water and to become moist. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more and I think that's pretty good. And now we are ready to put our plant in the sunlight, either outside or in a windowsill, and it will collect the sun and it will begin to grow. Remember to water your plants daily or as often as you feel necessary. Now that we have reviewed the life cycle of a plant, photosynthesis, and learned how to grow a plant, it is your turn to use what you know to grow your own plant. Remember to care for your plant daily and record what happens to your plant as it grows.